Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. I'm facing one of the issue that is invalid client. So what are the possible solution that we can fix this? So first of all you have to check that the client ID and the client secret should be correct ones. Okay. So make sure of that you are correctly pasting the client ID and the client secret. The second one that is here the API when you're calling. So sometimes you're calling the accounts.zoho.com. So make sure you have to add dot in. Okay, I'm just adding dot in and let's see what will happen. Okay, so here you can see that I'm just logging with this account with this. Previously I'm facing that this one that is undefined. Now I will accept this and I will get the access token and the refresh token. So this is how you can fix that issue. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.